to share 5,000 BUSD including an Asus ROG Phone 5S. So this is an opportunity to us.
Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night, at night.
Yo, what's up? How are you today? This is Mr. D again from Pinoy Side Hustle TV. So for today's video, I will try to communicate you in English because I saw in my YouTube channel analytics there are foreign visitors and I am using our Filipino language, but for today's video I will try to adjust so the foreign visitors will understand our tutorial. So for today's video, we will talk about the rewards or prize pool offered by Binance. So if you can see here, trade on Binance P2P to share 5,000 BUSD including an Asus ROG Phone 5S. So this is an opportunity to us to get a share of this rewards. So how to qualify this prize pool offered by Binance? So to qualify, you only need to register to Binance if you don't have an existing Binance account. But if you are already registered, you can also qualify through registration of their prize pool. So we will read this one. So this is their condition. So Binance P2P is launching 2 exclusive promotions for Southeast Asian users. All eligible new and existing users who trade on Binance P2P shall stand a chance to share 5,000 BUSD including an Asus ROG phone. This is both for those who have existing or new Binance users. So we will if you don't have an existing account, just click the description below or the pinned comment because I will put the link in the comment section. Just click directly the link and register and then verify your account. So it is super easy to verify your Binance account. You do not need to spend more than 10 to 20 minutes just to register and verify your account. So for verification, you only need to submit the correct information and valid government ID. So afterwards, you need to visit your notification and try to spot this event. You can spot this event because you will be notified, and then click confirm the registration to qualify. So we will just need to fill out the questions provided by Binance. So we will just scroll below, and do you want to join this promotion? Click yes. Submitted successfully, and we are already registered. It is super easy. So but we are registered, but we are not already qualified because we need to we need to deposit in our account to finally join their prize pool. So the minimum deposit amount is at least 150 BUSD. 150 BUSD. So if you are asking me how to deposit in our Binance wallet, so it is super easy. So we are in the homepage of Binance. If you are using the light mode, I will recommend to switch to Pro, Binance Pro. Just click this button, and you are already set to Binance Pro. And then click this button, this trades, and then click P2P. So this is the P2P price pool, and then click buy. Okay, click buy USDT. And if you are living in, for example, in USA, or depending where you are, just click your set your currency here. Just set your currency here. For example, USD. USD, okay. We will set again USD, and now I don't know why, but just try, and these are the sellers of BUSD. Just click BUSD. And you can see here they are offering, or they are selling BUSD. So just deposit or buy BUSD at least 150, the quantity of BUSD at least 150. So for example, we will enter the amount 150 BUSD. So imagine we are already set. Just click buy and provide your details, and then just enter the amount here, buy with zero fee, and then continue, and then send your payment to the wallet of the seller, and you are already set, and you are already qualified to win 5,000 share of the 5,000 share of BUSD offered by Binance. So that's all. I hope you grasp some knowledge and win and get a share of the Binance prize pool. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.